You want to learn how to bake bread but you're having a hard time baking bread? Don't worry, in this video, we're going to bake easy yet simple to bake bread. Let's bake dinner rolls. We need egg, sugar, powdered milk, instant dry yeast, lukewarm fresh milk, mix until fully incorporated, all-purpose flour, salt. Knead the dough using a hand mixer with dough hook, or you can knead the dough using your hand. If you are using a hand mixer, set the speed to level 2 or medium speed. Don't forget to scrape sides of the bowl. After kneading the dough for 7 minutes, let's put the softened unsalted butter and knead it again for another 7 minutes or until it passed the window pane test. In a greased bowl, put the dough and proof it for 1 hour or until it became double in size. After proofing the dough, punch it hard like you are freaking mad to someone to release gas. I will divide the dough 30 grams each and roll it into balls. After dividing and rolling the dough into balls, cover and proof the dough balls for 30 minutes. To make the egg wash, combine water and egg and beat it, beat it, beat it. Please forgive me for having a bad singing voice. Before baking the dinner rolls, put egg wash on top of the rolls. Bake on a preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius for 18 to 25 minutes or until golden brown. Don't forget to brush melted butter before serving it. Let's taste the bread. So fluffy, so delicious, and the butter that we put on top of the bread makes the bread more delicious. That's it for today's video. Follow for more videos. Bye! Love you all!